What's up, Kill Too Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today I have a case from Poetic. This is the Poetic Spartan Samsung Galaxy Z4 metallic case, and I want to say thank you once again to Poetic for kindly sending me out their products. Always willing to send me out their products whenever, you know, if I have to ask, or if they have something new, they always hitting me up asking me if I'm getting that device or do I need a case. And I really do appreciate that. So pretty much you get your instruction manual, how to install the case. You also get your adhesive strips, but I won't be using those. So this is more like a heavy dutier case. I believe this has, yes, this has access to hold your S Pen. Ooh, this looks nice. And this is the Spartan series, so you get that nice little design on the back. It's a two-part case, as you can see here. So first you want to peel off your film. And it also comes with a fake screen protector installed. Like I said, I'm really not a fan of that, but hey, it is what it is. So pretty much you want to make sure your device is clamped down if you want to, and then you just want to place the front on like so. Just like that. And this is the first time that I've known Poetic to make cases for their Zfold line, because they did not have cases for their Zfold 3. I kind of wish they would have made cases for their Zfold 3 instead of just their Zfold 4, but it is what it is. Pretty much this is what you get. Still it has a gray outline around it. Looks and feels good. Has some grippage right there. So pretty much you do the exact same thing for the back. Just like that. And you have a nice sturdy looking case for your Zfold 4. Of course, this does add a little bit more bulk to it because your hinge is protected, because this also doubles as your S Pen slot. So that way you can always have your S Pen on deck with you when you want it to be on deck. On this side it does say Poetic. Get your little grip there. Get some little hinges here. I like that. I like that. I like that a lot. You get a nice deep cutout for your camera, so if you place your phone flat down on the table, you are good to go. You get a nice lip on the top, so if you place it flat down on the face, you are good to go. Another good thing about this case is that it has that kickstand, so that is even better, because now you can open up your device and you can watch your content when you want to watch your content, and just like that. And it has a nice size lip on the inside, as you can see. So if you place your phone flat down on the table with your Zfold 4 open up, you are good to go. You are good and protected. I do like the way this case looks and feels. You still get nice access to your fingerprint scanner. You get nice clicky buttons for your volume up and down button. At the bottom here, you do get all your cutouts as usual. And at the top here, you get all your cutouts as usual. But like I said, this is a nice looking and feeling case. But just to note, since this has your hinge covered for your S Pen, you will not be able to lay this phone down flat on the table. So just be aware of that. And if you do not really care for bulky cases, then don't get the Spartan from Poetic. Get the Guardian if you want something thinner. But if you want something that is like super protective, something that can cover the hinge and house your S Pen, then you can get you the Spartan case from Poetic. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.